This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the receiver is solid and the antenna has a clear sky view. You want stable fixes. Power the machine and the GPS controller, then open the software and load or create the job file. Enter base coordinates, coordinate system, and any offsets. Once done, wait for a centimeter or decimeter solution depending on your setup. Make sure datum and projection match site plans, so grading surfaces align correctly when you begin cutting and filling. Now you calibrate the blade pitch and offsets so the system knows where the cutting edge is relative to the receiver. In the controller, select the design surface, set tolerances and working layers, and choose slope or grade controls. Drive to a control point and confirm the RTK fix and baseline length. Once signal quality is green, perform a quick test cut to validate height readings. If readings drift, rerun the sensor calibration and double-check antenna, mounting to avoid systematic errors. You proceed with grading by following the controller prompts and adjusting the blade progressively. Short passes and continual checks keep the surface within tolerance. Make periodic stop checks against known survey points and capture as-built data so quality is auditable. If guidance becomes erratic, immediately stop and verify RTK status, antenna cabling, and power. Once done, rebootstrap the correction link or switch to local PPK recording. If problems persist, replace the antenna cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.